Here we demonstrate a prototype of the universal vane assembly and simplicity of its design. The construction of the assembly comprises 4 frames rigidly connected with a shaft and disposed along its axis and perpendicularly to each other, and plurality of movement, thin plates pivotally disposed about a periphery of the frames. Also, we show its functional durability. It can be manufactured in any size. This construction is durable and long-lasting by itself, but its durability can be increased even more by adding 2 circular frames connecting the rectangular frames on both sides of the assembly. Here we demonstrate testing of a prototype of the universal vane assembly in a stream of water in a vertical position. You can see how horizontally directed current activates and keeps constant rotation of the device. You can also see how a plurality of braces affixed to one side of each plate collapse flat in one similar direction towards the non-braced end, whereby a force acting against the non-braced end of the plates and the force acting upon the opposite end of the assembly would necessarily be acting upon the braced end of each plate, and thus force those plates to become flat, reducing drag and prohibiting them from counteracting the movement force of the opposite upright planes. Here we demonstrate how the universal vane assembly would work on ocean waves, up and down vertical as well as diagonal motions. In a horizontal position, you can see how omnidirectional motion activates and keeps constant rotation of the device. Here we show one of many possible applications of the universal vane assembly's practical utilization. Namely, this is an underwater application that can be used in many locations where rivers and canals have no boat-able traffic. In this case, support legs can be installed at the river's bank, and one long shaft can hold a plurality of vane assemblies.